JoPaddy here, and today I wanted to show you how I make some of my sparkle rocks and stuff for geodes and different paintings. And I wanted to also tell you guys that it's really fun and easy to do. On the one video I posted recently, I showed you how I took different rocks and things and broke them up with a hammer and a pillowcase. Those are for bigger pieces and mirrors and stuff like that. But if you want just tiny little rocks or just a small little bits of dimension to your paintings and your geodes, this is the way to go. So first off, I want to show you what I do is I get these rocks. I got them at Walmart actually, and they're just tiny little. I'll have to take some out of here because this bag is old and it's got spray paint on it and everything else, but they're tiny little rocks. They're just plain rocks like this. I'll show you here. Little rocks like that. Just plain old little rocks. And I spray paint them the color that, and this is pretty too, like if you're going to do a chocolate painting or something like that. But put it on one of these, a piece of plastic or whatever, and I spray paint it the color that I eventually am looking for in that rock. So like the green, what I did was I put the rock down, this rock down on here like that, on a piece of plastic, and I spray painted it the green. And then when I was done, I put the extra fine green glitter on there. And I moved it around like this in the plastic bag. You move it around like that because the glitter will stick to the spray paint, and the spray paint is going to be the color that you want. And it turns out really pretty. And now I'm going to show you the ones that I have. Okay, now, let me show you. It's exciting because it's really fun, you guys, and you're making your own rocks. Okay, here's my, let's start with gold first. Here's the gold. Look how nice it came out. It came out so pretty, you guys. And you can mix them too, you know, like maybe you want gold and silver or whatever. It turned out so nice, and here's my silver. Look how pretty that is. And I can mix it with some of the other rocks that I did that I broke up. And it'll be really pretty on a geode or a painting for any kind of little extra small dimensions. And the glitter that I always use is extra fine. But then sometimes you can find one that has these little tiny octagon shaped ones. And you can mix it all together and it's really pretty. I got that in this blue too, like a turquoise. And it's just so pretty, you guys. I love it. Let me show you the other colors that I have. It's nice to make your own too. And I got this color. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Isn't that pretty? I just love that. And this would go good with silver too, mixing them up. And of course, I got my green. Let me show you that. Put that back. Here's my green. I even have a little blue in there, and I got some of that, some more of the sparkles in there. But the green, it's just so pretty to put on a geode too. Especially if you're using resin. It would be really bright and hard and pretty. And then one other thing I wanted to show you guys really quick. And I haven't used this yet, but I'm going to try it, and I'll let you guys know how it turns out. Is this. I have some of this snow, like decorative snow. And I have used it on other things, but I haven't used it with resin or on a geode before. I've just used it in paintings. And you can get this in the craft markets or like Michael's or any kind of big craft markets that you have. I don't know if you can find it at Walmart unless it's Christmas time. But it's called Snow Real Instant Decorative Snow. And you just add water and you stir it up a little bit and it gets all fluffy and stuff. And you can spray paint it or stick it on a painting or whatever. And so I want to try that with a geode. I don't know how well it would work with resin. But it's really good in flower arrangements and stuff like that with candles and things. It's really pretty. Alright, you guys, that was just a little video for today. I wanted to show you how I make my own rocks and stuff and sparklies. Lots of fun stuff. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Arrivederci.